Hi kids, welcome back to our next lesson for the story, The Day the Crayons Quit. We almost done with the story. We only have a couple more pages and we'll complete our book. And after that, Miss Mac will select another book that we can try out and we can also do another activity with it. All right, so let's continue with our next color. So guess what color will be today? We already have red, we have beige or brown, we have green, we have yellow, we have orange, we have purple, we have black. So what is another color that we haven't tried? Okay, which is our last color in your crayon bag. Guess what color it is? You can, even though there's nobody sitting with you, but maybe you can share with your mom or your dad or baby or sister later. Okay, you can pretend like somebody next to you, so you can turn and say, I predict. Okay, so Miss Mac cannot predict because I don't know, but I will pretend that I don't know the story. So I can say, I predict green will be next. But we already have green, so that doesn't make sense. So maybe I predict blue will be next. Okay, let's see. Ta-da! Miss, I got it right. Maybe some of you got it right too. All right, so here's a blue crayon, and this is his letter to Duncan. Dear Duncan, it has been great being your favorite color this past year, and the year before, and the year before that. I have really enjoyed all those oceans, lakes, rivers, raindrops, rain clouds, and clear skies. But the bad news, okay, so Miss Mac changed my voice. I kind of emphasize on these two words because the blue crayon wrote these two words capitalized, which means that it's really important. Bad news is that I am so short and stubby. I can't even see over the railing in the crayon box anymore. I need a break. Your very stubby friend, Blue Crayon. Okay, so here's is our blue crayon. He looked happy, all right, but he wrote a letter to Duncan telling Duncan that he happy that Duncan has been using him all this time, but he kind of get tired because Duncan using him too much, right? He used everything for blue. Okay, it's okay that you use blue, but sometimes if you're using way too much, then your blue crayon get tired, just like you, right? It's great that you looking at the YouTube that Miss Mac make and you listen to it, you watch it, and you do it. But it's not great that you do it all of them. Instead, you should be doing one a day, right? So you need a break too. So same thing with the blue crayon, it needs a break too. All right. So for our writing today, I want you to think about blue crayon. Okay. He complains to Duncan that he is happy, but he doesn't want Duncan to use him way too much. Okay. So we are still going to use blue, but then let's make another color with him so then he doesn't get too tired. Okay. So Miss Mac is going to use green. Now, you don't have to use green. You can use any color that you like, but make sure you have to have blue with another color, okay? And then let's think of something that you would like to draw. Anything, okay? So Miss Mac is thinking of drawing. Let's get what that is. My cup, okay? My coffee cup. Or for you, you can do a hot cocoa. instead, since kids, you don't drink coffee, right? Okay, so Miss Mac is still going to use blue. So I will not be like Duncan using blue all the way, right? Remember the blue crayon say he's tired of doing it. So I'll use some of it for blue. But then I also use green, okay? So that just to help out with the blue crayon if he get too tired. Okay, so my mug is blue and green. All right, so I'm done with my picture. Like we always do, we are going to label it. So I draw the arrow, and this is my mug, or you can say it's a cup. So then you make sure you sign it out. You don't have to do like Miss Mac, okay? You can pick anything that you like, and then you do different colors with it, okay? Then on the bottom, I will start my sentence. Our sentence frame for today is the cup is blue and green. All right, that's just kind of a little bit long, so we need to count all the words that we have, okay? The cup is blue and green. So there are 6 words, okay? The is a sight word. How do we write the? T, first letter of the sentence, has to be capital. H, E, the. Okay, Miss Mac want to remind some of you that make sure when you do the H, that the H is tall, okay? The N is short. Okay, so don't confuse these 2 letters. They are not the same. Okay, so the cup. Now, Miss Mac has cup. I don't know what you have, so you are not going to write cup unless you decide to do it like Miss Mac. Okay, so I will write it blank. The is the sight word. Is I-S. All right. The is, there are 2 colors that I use. Everyone must use blue, so Miss Mac will write blue out since everyone is doing the same one. Okay. And oh, my crayon cat got ripped on the word here, so we don't get to see it. Let me see if I can find my blue crayon that has the word blue so you can see it. Oh, I have another blue one. Okay, remember that's every crayon is always have the color word on it. Okay, then this is how you write blue. Blue, finger space. Blue. Blue. Okay. The is blue. What's the other color? And and I mean not and is another sight word. Okay, I don't have enough space, so I will go down to the bottom. How do we write and? And and So Miss Ma is not going to write this one because I don't know which color that you decide to do. Okay, and what do we put at the end? Period. Very good. Okay, so let's try again. The is blue and So for Miss Mac, I would say the cup is blue and green. Okay, so this is our sentence frame. Okay, so you need to plug in the two different words here. This is the name of the thing that you decide to draw, and this is a color other than blue that you pick. All right. Okay, so after we finish, save the page, and this is the end of today's lesson. I will see you again next time. Bye.